History Unveiled: The UK in the Post-War Period. Hello everyone. Today, we're journeying through time to understand the post-war period in the United Kingdom. This era saw dramatic changes, resilience, and the birth of many facets of modern British society. Let's dive in. Right after World War II, the UK was faced with immense devastation. Buildings were in ruins, the economy was in a downturn, and the people were tired. Yet, they harbored a spirit of rebuilding and innovation. Key points. The 1945 election led to the rise of the Labour Party. The introduction of the welfare state. This era saw the establishment of the National Health Service, NHS, in 1948, which aimed to provide health care for all citizens. The UK began a process known as decolonization, where many countries under British rule started gaining independence. This period marked the transformation from a global empire to a more modern nation-state. Key points. India, the jewel in the crown of the British Empire, gained independence in 1947. Many African, Caribbean, and Pacific nations achieved independence throughout the 1960s and 1970s. The post-war era saw the UK moving from a predominantly industrial economy to a service-oriented one. There were significant shifts in social attitudes, with the 1960s being a decade of youth culture, music, and more liberal views. Key points. The rise of the swinging 60s, pop culture and music, especially the Beatles and the Rolling Stones, gained international fame. Women's rights and liberation movements became more pronounced, leading to greater gender equality in subsequent decades. Though the UK made significant strides in various sectors, it wasn't without challenges. Economic downturns, labor strikes, and political tensions tested the resilience of the British people. Key points. The 1970s oil crisis and subsequent economic challenges. Political tensions in Northern Ireland, known as the Troubles. The post-war period in the UK is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of a nation that faced immense challenges and underwent vast changes. From the ashes of war, the UK rebuilt, redefined, and resonated with the world in many new ways. We hope this video gave you insights into this pivotal era in British history. Until next time, happy learning!